The SAT is adaptive. The first module of each section contains a broad mix of easy, medium, and difficult question. It is accepted over 86 countries. Most of the university provides scholarship based on your SAT score. This could significantly reduce the cost of your education in abroad. Hey everyone, welcome back to Kalingaeuro. Today we will break down the SAT, one of the most important exam for the student who are planning to study abroad. Whether you are aiming for top university in US, Canada or even Australia, this video will give you all the details that you need to know about SAT. Let's dive right in. So what exactly is the SAT? Well, the SAT, which stands for Scholastic Assessment Test, is a standardized exam which is administered by the College Board. It used to be known as Scholastic Aptitude Test. It is an essential examination for the students who are applying undergraduate programs in many countries like US, UK and Canada. Registering for the SAT is simple. Head over to the official SAT registration website and you will find all the upcoming test dates and deadlines. Make sure you choose your country code, which for India is 260. The official link for the SAT registration is given in the description below. The SAT has two main sections, reading and writing and maths. You will have 64 minutes for reading and writing and 70 minutes for maths. This makes a total of 2 hours and 14 minutes for the whole exam. The reading and writing section is divided into two modules. Now each module has a set of 27 questions which is divided into 25 operational questions and 2 pre-test questions. Similarly, in mathematics sections, you will have 2 modules. Each module is divided into a set of 22 questions, which is in order divided into 20 operational questions and 2 pre-test questions. The SAT is adaptive. The first module of each section contains a broad mix of easy, medium, and difficult question. Based on how you perform in the first module, the second module questions will either become difficult or easier. Each section is scored out of 800, so you can have a total score of 1600. Most of the questions are in MCQ format, but in math section, 25% of the questions require you to enter the answer. And here's a bonus. There is no negative marking. If you are unsure about an answer, it's better to guess than to leave it blank. Now let's talk about the eligibility. The good news, there is no minimum qualifications to appear for the SAT. While the students taking the SAT examinations are between 17 to 20 years of age, there is no official age limit. The SAT exam fee for the Indian student is approximately 10,102 rupees and it is accepted over 86 countries, including some of the popular study destinations like US, UK, Canada and Australia. Your SAT score is valid up to 5 years, which means even if you are taking a gap years, you can use your SAT score later for the university application. Preparing for the SAT? Here are top resources that you need. The official SAT study guide, the critical reader, complete guide to SAT reading, SAT prep black book. Practice is the key, so make sure you are using the right materials. Now for the most exciting part, that is scholarship and financial aid. Most of the university provides scholarship based on your SAT score. This could significantly reduce the cost of your education in abroad. So doing well in the SAT exam could mean not just getting into your dream university, but also getting financial support. Additional tips and tricks. Time management. Spend 1 minute per questions and skip tougher ones to come back to later. Practice test. Take time practice test and review your mistake to improve. Process of elimination. Eliminate the wrong answers to increase your chances of guessing correctly. Answer every question. There's no penalty for guessing, so never leave the question blank. That's all you need to know about the SAT. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share it with anyone you know who is preparing for the SAT examination. We at Kalingaeuro are always here to guide you on your study abroad journey. Best of luck with your SAT preparation. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.